If you work with labels or sell stickers in almost any capacity, there's a good chance you started doing so from home. It's really not uncommon at all to see business owners, entrepreneurs, and designers fully doing their own printing from home with their printer and their supplies. But everybody has to get to the point eventually where they ask when, if ever, should they switch to ordering their labels and stickers custom printed online instead of doing all the work at home. There are pros and cons to each method, so we're going to look through those and decide which one will work best for you and your workflow. Let's get into it. First, we're going to talk about the benefits of doing your labels at home DIY style. First of all, printing your labels from home gives you a really precise control of your inventory. When you don't have to order in bulk or use specific quantities, you can print as many labels as you need. There's also a whole world of advantages that come with being able to print exactly when you need them, without having to wait for anything to ship. If you're going to be selling and creating stickers or labels for a long period of time, investing in a printer and establishing a good workflow at home early is really important. Putting down money for an entire printer and a cutting machine if you don't have one already can be pretty costly up front, but it can save you money in the long run since the alternative could be multiple orders stacking and stacking up over time. So if you're in the beginning of your labeling journey or just starting out with your business, or if you're just doing a limited time run on a product, decorating one event, or promoting a spur of the moment business opportunity, it's a really good idea to keep those things as cost effective as possible, and you don't want to order more than you need. If you're running a business with a smaller distribution radius, this approach has a really quick turnaround. Another benefit of being able to get your stickers and labels exactly when you want them is you can test different colors on demand, test different designs, and in real time see the differences that your design choices and creative decisions are having on your design. This is really helpful for businesses especially because you can fine-tune your branding. Even small differences in color can be really essential to businesses trying to fine-tune their look. And being able to preview what your design looks like on paper is a massive leg up. Besides those, there are still a few reasons printing labels from home might not be great for you. First of all, there's a lot more maintenance that's going to go into printing your labels at home. When you're ordering stickers online, obviously you don't have to have any supplies in your workspace. But if you're planning on having a printer, a cutting machine, and any other sticker making supplies in your home or your office, you're gonna have to make a pretty good amount of space and make sure you stay in line with the upkeep it's gonna require. There's also gonna be additional costs. Depending on how much you're printing, repeatedly buying ink and toner for your printer can quickly add up. Also, if a learning curve is going to get in the way of your productivity and you haven't started printing and cutting your stickers from home yet, ordering might be a little simpler. If there's any additional software or training you'll need for your new printer or cutting machines, that could eat up a lot of time. The DIY method definitely comes with a little bit more responsibility, so it's all about what you can work into your schedule. Now let's talk about the alternative, ordering your stickers and labels custom printed online. Well, once again, it all depends on your business. If you're printing in larger quantities, this approach might be a little more cost effective. Ordering online also means you get a great level of quality in your print. The ink adhesion and the quality of the material you choose makes your stickers and labels feel especially professional and really make them stand out from the crowd. Also, all of our custom printed labels on rolls and stickers are given an extra layer of lamination. This really locks in your prints and increases the durability for almost any condition. At OnlineLabels, we have a super wide range of material and finish options, so you can curate stickers and match your personality exactly the way you need. We have every shape and size, material, and finish you might need. Like we mentioned, you also won't have to set aside extra space for printer storage and upkeep or other materials. If printing on demand is important to you, you may want the flexibility to print yourself. That being said, our custom printing turnaround times are extremely fast, with orders arriving as soon as 2 business days after approval. Despite all of that, the most important thing is what you feel is the right option for you. Both options are going to give you a lot of customizability and let you create stickers in the exact way you want to. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was really helpful. If you enjoyed, leave a like down below. If you have any thoughts, feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to see any more helpful label content, how-tos, and more, make sure to subscribe to the channel down below and hit the bell for notifications. All right, we'll see you next week.